Hi friends, this video shows how to fix zoom in issue in Amazon Fire TV Stick. So here you can see the problem. So I am going to fix this. Okay, so for that go to settings, then select accessibility, then select screen magnifier. Right now it's on, we need to turn off this option. Okay, just press and turn off. So now it's okay, so now it's normal. So this way we can fix that zoom issue. If you want to zoom in again, you can go to settings, then go to accessibility, then screen magnifier, turn on this option. See, so this way we can turn on or off screen magnifier. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.